Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, guys. I have today some sort of like a setup over here, so it's easier for you to watch, isn't it? Like these type of calm, peaceful videos probably is the best for everyone. So today, guys, my topic is not gonna be about this perfume. It's actually gonna be about one of the perfumes that I have here, and I'm gonna unbox this perfume. And in this setup, guys, you're gonna see some other perfumes that I actually recently unboxed, and I'm just gonna tell you what do I think about them very quickly, because all of these perfumes right there is my recent purchase, that I had from my perfume haul that I just did recently. And so basically, like for an example, guys, like very quickly, it's just a few words. So this perfume that I unboxed, actually, you can check that video, but I unboxed it, and I think that on my first unboxing video, I thought maybe this perfume is alright, guys, but now I'm slightly changing my mind, and this perfume is under question for me. I bought this perfume because it's the name is Musk Wild Vanille by LATTAFA, and I bought this perfume because I was looking for some fresh perfumes that is actually really difficult to find in Middle Eastern perfume collection. And this perfume, like the way it looked for me, it seemed to be maybe would be refreshing one, but it ended up, I think there's some sort of problem here. Maybe it's a bit too much of the musk. And also, my opinion was changed by one of the comment that I got by one of the person that said that this perfume smells really, really not great, on me. So I am scared, guys, of this perfume. I'm scared of this perfume. Although, actually, I am, how to say, myself, for example, I don't think that this perfume smells bad. It's just that refreshing side is under question. But you know what, guys, throughout the days I will be wearing this perfume sometimes, and I will be observing more, and maybe I will decide, I will have a better opinion about it. Like, how do you think about this? I don't think many people has it, guys, but like if you happen to be try this perfume, let me know, because it's so interesting to see. And there are some other perfumes in this particular range. There is like a purple versions, whatever they are, like maybe they are better, guys. I smelled all of them there, and it seemed to be that, like not really much that actually grabbed my attention from these ranges there. So my perfume, I will unbox it, guys. Let's unbox it. When I was looking for those fresh perfumes, guys, my attention, my particular attention was that, I don't know, guys, the setup is pretty bad here, but my attention, I was completely lost, so my attention went to these perfumes because somebody was buying in front of me, and I thought, let me smell it. And I smell it, guys, and I immediately said, I want this perfume. And then I also grabbed that perfume. It was a quick decision, like I didn't have a lot of time, but I decided just to buy it. So these two perfumes, guys, are not the same. They are from the same range, but they are different. This one is Sapphire, and this one is AMEER. And there is another one that looked orange color, which actually I skipped, but I see that a lot of people actually is more leaning towards that orange bottle. But I just happened to be, that I didn't choose that one because I already chose two. So like, and so this perfume, guys, I like it. I find this perfume performs pretty good in the hot weather conditions, even though it's a bit, maybe, how to say, it's like, how to say, it seems to be that not many people would like this perfume, but I like it, guys. I like this perfume, and I can feel this greenness there. I can feel this type of combination of notes that I actually, to me, it's pleasing, although I don't see that a lot of compliments would be coming from this perfume. I was wearing it maybe about already like 2 weeks. This perfume I have it like open, and I never got compliment, but I felt pleased myself by wearing this perfume because it was performing very well. It seemed to be no need to overspray too much, no need to, how to say, no need to keep spraying too much. It just simply performs pretty good, and I have those notes there. So the notes of this perfume, guys, there's Artemisia, bergamot, herbal notes. Really like a type of herbal notes are pretty good, guys. And then Gaia, juniper, patchouli, nutty, cumin, frankincense, and labdanum. The video, guys, is not about this perfume. I just want to quickly show you. I'm gonna unbox this perfume, guys. So, and we're gonna see, guys, if there's any similarity or not. You know, and those bottles are so cute as well. You know what happened, guys? I just completely forgot to check the notes of this perfume, guys. I supposed to check the notes before I even speak, but you know, this video is gonna be like this without actually knowing the notes. We're gonna unbox this video. It's crazy, guys. Let's see. We're gonna unbox this video, and I don't know the notes. So the price of these perfumes, guys, were similar, you know, but this perfume, for example, was cheaper, way cheaper than those two. It's still on the higher side, but not too high, you know. So so the black bottle will be black bottle. It's AMEER by LATTAFA. I'm sure, guys, I'm gonna do much more videos about this perfume, and you will actually know exactly what are the notes. But as for today, I don't have the notes. So I love, guys, checking the expiration date, just, you know, to know. So expiration date is 2028, and it was made in 2023 July. So this perfume was made like 1 year ago, so it's not too old. And we will open those horns are already looking at me. And we're gonna open this perfume, and we will. And you see those horns actually even you know, got stuck. There's a type of material here got stuck, guys, to these horns. That's how strong you know, this perfume is. That's how strong this presentation, guys, is. So anyway, so as you can see, I really love holding them. It's so great to have it in your collection. Imagine them, guys, standing, you know, on your table. It's just brilliant. So the presentation is just beautiful, guys. Beautiful. This perfume, as far as I remember, it was unisex, and I believe the same will be this one. And we will have a look, guys. I'm so sorry for not having the notes. So this type of cozy feeling comes out, the same like this perfume has a cozy feeling. It's just this one has this type of different herbal type of notes that this one will not have them, you know. So let's have it. Let's have a look. Beautiful bottle, guys. Beautiful bottle. So sorry, the alcohol just completely hit at my nose. My goodness. So there is this type of little bit of oud, but this oud is completely different from oud mood, you know. These very warm type of cozy notes that seem to be, this perfume is a quality perfume. If you would like to wear some kind of oud perfume that would be easy to wear and, let's say, not suffocating, so that's this one could be the one. Type of cozy, gentle oud that is not fresh but is sweet and cozy and gentle. Really gentle, guys. Like, let's say, if you would compare to, let's say, LATTAFA's this, LATTAFA has this perfume, black one, you know, this oud musk. Is it not? There is what's the name of them? There is musk, opulent musk, and there is opulent oud. So if you would compare opulent oud to this one would be much better. You know, I can feel that oud. You know, I can feel that oud, but it's not like hitting your nose. You know, it's not too sharp. So this oud could be very smooth, gentle, more wearable, more versatile. Like, let's say, if you hate those other ouds, like, let's say, oud mood, you know, I have bad opinion about oud mood at the moment. And so this one could be more wearable, more cozy. You know, the same, like, let's say, let's say, Fragrance World has this, you know, this another perfume, sorry about that dupe for Grand Soir, you know. So basically, so that one is kind of smooth, but that one is amber perfume. So this one, I don't think there's any amber, but this one is smooth oud, you know, and really warm type of, with some sort of probably vanilla there and something else, like really really pleasant, guys, really pleasant. Let's remember this one now. Let's remember, guys, this green one as well. There is some sort of notes that are similar in this one too, but because this one is topped up with the green notes, so it smells a little bit different. Yeah, with those green notes that has probably that bergamot that is. So this one is more refreshing, guys, than this. But when I say refreshing, it's not like refreshing, you know. It's not like refreshing like this one, you know. This one is really refreshing, but this one has this type of spicy notes that are very cozy, topped up with those herbal notes and that bergamot and whatever citrus now on the top is really nice, guys. This I actually really like this perfume, you know. I'm sure like there are much way better perfume than this, but this one is pretty good. Like, and this one, so this one is still kind of like, let's say if you would take off those herbal notes from those green notes from this one, you would top up a little bit more oud, you would feel them both being similar. But this one, guys, it stays being smooth oud, you know. If you, let's say, this perfume, man can wear it for sure, and it's very gentle. Like let's say if you want to wear some kind of oud to your work, so this one would be gentle oud for you. And it's nice, guys, it's really nice. I think that this perfume is one of the gentlest oud that I have in my collection, you know. Like let's say I like this, I like to wear this mocha wood, you know, from Fragrance World, because that one, it feels good when you wear it, you know. But also in the summertime, it's not it's a bit cautious. Like I didn't wear that one in summertime, but in wintertime was great. So this one, probably you could wear it in summertime. I'm sure it's gonna perform really good. Like it's really, it feels really good, smooth type of, you know, smooth with a little bit of spike, like a hint of oud that spikes out, you know. So it's not like completely, it's not like a completely innocent perfume, you know. It's has that oud that keeps spiking a little bit for you, you know. But it's interesting, guys. And this one has similar type of vibe, but because it's more kind of refreshing, you know. It really feels refreshing. I'm really happy, guys, to buy, to have them both in my collection. And like now, like for example, when I don't have possibility to have that orange one, I just wonder what would be the comparison, you know, with them both. It's interesting. So I don't have it, guys, but I'm sure there are people who has all of them three. And from LATTAFA, guys, I have quite few perfumes that I don't use, you know. I don't use because they are too strong. Like, let's say Shakel Joke. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it. But these are more elevated, more quality collection. Seems like it. And I don't know. See, they seem to be way more pleasant than some of the rest there, you know. And they, so this line is pretty good. So they, maybe LATTAFA has few lines that are made for different type of people. Like let's say, you know, the line of this particular perfume, you know, it's this line. It's some kind of tamine collection that they have few colors there. And because I smelled all of them there, and they didn't seem to be impressive to me, but like those bottles look beautiful, and I'm sure that there are people that likes them, you know. Do you like this perfume, guys? Let me know if you like this perfume. Like, what's your experience, guys? And this perfume, like very quickly, guys, this perfume is Asdaf Amirat Al Arab, and this perfume is really refreshing. It's like the name of it is Princess of Arabia, and it's very youthful perfume for you know, for many people, for young people or for anyone, guys. But it wasn't staying very much. But this perfume is perfect to spray when you go to work, you know. Like it will be feelable for a few hours, but then it's gonna disappear. Like it would not have this type of, it will not have this type of like dry down, you know. Like it's just dry, as if there is no dry down in this perfume. And this one, guys, is so cozy. Like, guys, I think probably it could be a great idea to spray in the summertime perfumes that, you know, that stay on you. Even though there is like a oud, you could still spray. I'm pleased, guys, with this perfume. Realistically, I had this thought in my head, guys, that it's really likely that when you buy more expensive perfumes, probably they feel better, on you. They feel better. But how many expensive perfumes, guys, you could buy, realistically? How many expensive perfumes you could buy? Not much, So these are not too expensive, and we could have. You could have quite a lot of them, and you could spray whenever you want, and they will feel different for you. They will just simply feel different for you. The same like if I would spray this one day, I will have a smooth oud and warm, and the performance would be pretty good. And next day, let's say I spray this one and I feel this herbal type of this herbal foresty type of notes that are really really nice, really nice. It gives you this type of aura around you that is, it feels good, and that smell keeps coming back to you, and it feels good. And like let's say next day I could spray this one and I would feel really refreshed, but I remember, guys, that this perfume doesn't stay long, so maybe I will have it in my bag, and maybe I will respray it, every now and then, just because I know that the longevity of this perfume is not great, but still it's great to have this perfume. And this one's another question for me, guys. Probably maybe needs to be layered or something, because on its own, like, it doesn't come off too nice of the smell. Like, maybe, like, I'm not really into musk. Like, I have some perfumes there with musk, guys, and it doesn't seem to be one of my choice. But, like, I don't know, if you like musk, you could like this one. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna be waving at you with these perfumes, and really, guys, nice choices. And I think they are, man and woman can wear it. It's pretty unisex, guys. This perfume, you could really wear it, and I recommend you guys those perfumes. And I will say bye bye, guys. Have a good day. See you soon.